Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is World War First. So let's talk about it. World War First, often abbreviated as the WW1 or WW1, and also known as the First World War or the Great War, was global war that began on 28 July 1914 and ended on 11 November 1918. It's evolved much of Europe as well as Russia, the United States and Turkey, and also fought in Middle East, Africa and the parts of Asia. What causes the First World War? The immediate cause for the First World War was the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria and his pregnant wife Sophia. Ferdinand of Austria was the nephew of Emperor Franz Joseph and their heir to throne of Austria and Hungary. The main factors also that led to the war were nationalism, imperialism, alliance and militarism. The deadliest war in the history of humanity remains controversial. The war began to Balkan on June 28, 1914 and lasted for almost 4 years and finally came to end on November 11, 1918. The main cause of World War was the also differences over foreign policies. World War First was an all-encompassing universal war that was centered in Europe but affected the whole world. 135 countries took part in World War First. There were two opposite alliances, the Central Powers and the Allies. Austria declared war on Serbia on July 28. That is when the World War officially began. India supported Britain as a British colony. The First World War was also called the French War as it was fought from trenches. The Allied powers were Britain, France, Japan, Italy, Russia and the USA. And the Central powers were Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria, the Ottoman Empire and the Turkey. By the end of the first decades of the 20th century, the major European powers were divided between the Triple Entente, the Triple Alliance. The Triple Entente was made up of France, Britain and Russia. The Triple Alliance was originally composed of Germany, Austria, Hungary and Italy, but Italy is remained neutral in 1914 as the war was progressed. Each coalition added new numbers and members. Japan joined the Entente in 1914 and after the proclaimed its neutrality at the beginning of the war. Italy also joined the Entente in 1915. The term alliance became more widely used than the Entente, although the principal alliance of France, Britain, Russia, Italy and Japan were sometimes known also as quintuple. Deadliest war. The war also resulted as one of the deadliest conflicts in history with an approximate of 9 million combatants, death of 13 deaths of civilians as the direct result of war. By the end of the war, over the 17 million people would have lost their lives, and the reason why the war had erupted is much more complex than the simple list of causes, even though it is the chain of events that led to the fighting. The most powerful country in the world, War I, Germany, was the most powerful country in the world during the World War I with the 13.25 lakh soldiers and its attacking strategy for other countries. The World War ended with the Treaty of Versailles on 28 June 1919. On the outskirts of Paris, European dignitaries crowded into the Palace of Versailles to sign up history's most hated treaties, known as Treaty of Versailles. It's a formally ended World War I and at the same time laid down the foundation of Second World War. So let's talk about fact about the First World War. Number 1. The war started on 28 July and 1914. Number 2. The war ended on 11th November 1918. Number 3. The war started when the Archduke Franz Ferdinand was assassinated. Number 4. The war was against the Allies and Central Power. Number 5. Soldiers lived in trenches. Number 6. There are a lot of major battles. So kids, tell me, which treaty signed by all the countries during First World War? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the First World War. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.